subscribe with notifications on.
I'm looking for my brother there. How are you, my man? Are you okay? I've got a question today. My question is, are are foreigners safe in South Africa?
No one is safe. Like even a child, they can't be safe if they are staying at next door.
They're not safe. Not, no one is safe.
Yeah, because when you are on your father's house, you can enter even in the bedroom. But when you are at next door, you can't go in their bedroom.
You can't go into the bedroom.
Yeah, even you can just take a risk even to go in the sitting room.
But now, how are you guys been treated by South Africans since you arrived here in South Africa? How is the treatment?
Yeah, the treatment, it depends. You see, it depends on the attitude of the people. We behave differently, we understand things differently.
Yeah.
It depends.
It depends.
Yeah, which type of people you meet, you see.
But why do they call you guys queres? Why? What is this? Why do we have white people who are coming from other European countries? When they get here, they call them tourists. But when we see, our own fellow South Africans, we call them queres. All those names. Why? What do you think is the problem?
I guess since as black people, when they come, as blacks, when we come here, we come looking for the jobs.
Okay.
I guess whites, when they come here, they don't come to look for jobs. They come to invest.
They come to invest.
Yeah, or to give people jobs.
Oh.
Yeah. So I think that term of queer it comes from like they says we came here to take their jobs.
To take their jobs, but why can't they do what you guys are doing?
Yeah.
Why would they complain and say you guys are taking their jobs? Well, you see, what you guys are doing here now, you are selling, you are doing everything, right? But them as South Africans, they are sitting at home. They can't do nothing, right? Most of them are sitting at home, they're drinking, right? They don't have any idea on what to do, how to come out of poverty. But you guys are busy selling. Why can't they do the same? What is the problem?
I think it depends where we grew up or how we raised. Like us, we come from a poor family, poverty area. So we experience a lot. Like South Africans, they never experience what is poverty.
No, they do. They do experience poverty because they are suffering. Most of them, they're suffering. Some of them, they can't take care of themselves.
You know why I'm saying they are now experiencing.
Yeah.
They are now experiencing.
Yeah.
Yeah. But before us, we born poverty. You see,
Yeah.
me, I'm from Zimbabwe. I
Yeah.
just heard our elders. Even my father, he never enjoyed the green pastures of Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fathers of fathers that they did enjoy it.
Yeah.
My father, he never enjoyed the green pastures for Zimbabwe.
For Zimbabwe.
We just heard about it. Zimbabwe was a good country. Even us, it's just a history. We just read that, we just learn that in school that Zimbabwe was a good country. But we never see the goodness of Zimbabwe.
Exactly.
So because of that, and now we ran away there because of that.
Poverty.
Because of poverty.
Exactly.
We came here looking for a green pasture.
But would you say South Africa is better than Zimbabwe
Yeah.
in terms of lifestyle,
Yes.
standard of life living?
Yes, that is true.
It's better.
That is true.
Wow.
In my opinion, that is true.
It's true, eh?
Yeah. It depends also where I grew up.
Oh,
I come
yeah.
from deep rural area. Deep down.
Yeah.
So, like here, you can see here we are in Strand. But the people that grew up here in Cape Town, they can tell you Strand is just a farm. We are in farms here.
Exactly.
Yes, but when I arrived
But
here,
this is where money is.
when
In a farm, that's where money
yeah,
is.
when I arrived here, I was like, oh, it was so nice. I was seeing these good houses that they built here. You see, so it's a big town for me.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You know.
when I go in Cape Town, that is America for me.
You see.
Yeah.
Also, when you go to Cape Town, it's like America for you.
Yes.
But here, when you look at this place, the way it is, it's like the sea. It's like
It's a
town.
city. It's a
Understand?
city.
Yeah. No, that's good. No, I'm glad of what you're doing, my brother. Keep it up, guys. Keep on, hustling and all those stuff. I'm not sure why people are complaining, complaining about you guys. These guys are hustling, guys. They are very hustling. They are doing everything they could. Our own South African. Hey, Bab Kunjan. Why do you think our own South Africans can't do this? It's running away. I mustn't fault them. Hey, Bab Kunjan, wait. But why do you think why is it difficult?
Why Miss Mosh?
But why is it difficult for us, South Africans? Why is what's so difficult?
I got no idea.
But okay, my experience, I would say maybe lazy, maybe.
There's a lot. You must just stay here and then you're going to experience it.
Are you serious? My sister, how are you? Exactly. My brother, how are you?
Hi, Mandela, good of viewers don't know you.
And I'm so glad, guys. Really, I'm proud of these guys. Guys, these guys are making money. These guys are making money. While we sit here, we complain and say there is no money and so forth and so forth. Let me ask my brother there. You see, even this one, she's selling, she's doing something. My sister, how are you? Why do you think South Africans cannot do what you guys are doing? What is the problem? What is the problem?
It's our ideas.
They are sitting on their minds.
Yes, because it's our ideas.
And you guys
don't take out them their jobs. It's our ideas. It's our creative. Even when we come South Africa, they were not even selling. They don't know to sell fruit.
This place were empty.
They only go ShopRite.
Exactly.
So how can we tell?
And they are complaining about you guys and saying, for what? That's what I was saying. Why are they complaining about them, about you guys?
Yes, we are creative.
Look at this woman.
She doesn't want to find
exactly.
Secret is there, stones is there, everything you can find it cheaper. Maybe you don't have the money to go ShopRite to buy a big bulk.
Yeah.
But we pack small bulk. That's why ShopRite doesn't chase us, because we buy ShopRite, we pack.
Oh, you support ShopRite.
In ShopRite.
Guys, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. South Africans.
It's our
South Africans, why can't we do this? Why can't we be like these sisters? At the end of the day, they go home with something.
We don't sell our bodies.
Exactly.
We creative our ideas.
Amen. Really, it's so difficult. My brother can hear what you're saying. But it's true. Because really, what is so difficult? Why our South African people can't do the same thing what these guys are doing? What's so difficult?
Don't ask why can't South Africa do the same thing. Don't ask that. Because at the end of the day, the foreigners is coming in South Africa, they are working for a less price, right? That we were supposed to get. They are coming and work for less money than get.
But now, look at, are you selling also? Are you not selling? But now, my question is, look at these guys, what they're doing. Why can't we, as South Africans, do the same thing?
Point is, say, like I say, most of the South Africans don't want to even if you go to a job. If I go to a job, I know the money that I must get for a job. Foreigners come and they come and work for less now, so which means the people are going to take the people that ask less. That's the problem.
But now here they're not taking anybody's job.
No, they don't take anybody's job.
But my question is, why can't we do the same as like these guys?
Because they don't want to. They don't want to.
But at the end of the day, they still in the street, they're begging. And at the end of the day, they are stealing. They go out there. Most of them, they go to jail. They do they do crime and all those type of things. While these people are hustling, doing what they're supposed to do. Why can't we do the same? That's my main problem.
You see, like I tell you, we don't have money.
No, you do have money.
Listen to me.
Okay.
The South Africans don't have money.
Mm.
Because some of us did have shops.
Yeah.
We closed our shops. Why?
Why did you close the shops?
It's because